The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak saupun riulak. Just wow.
Kum kasin jam bante Lakam yaki kam pen Huri-Hura hanong ba Shillong gibor penyat district East Khasi Hills gila pentip bala pen klancu da gibor pahara kata da san Pyrton ki Central Armed Police Forces CAPF but shi Pyrton ki Rapid Action Force RAF. Kani gijing pen klan kalawan hadin gijing ja pen pra bat thang kali gijing shock club yaki brio ki belajar hapadang gijing yat rally ki arsaka da ka Khasi Students Union men ha ka khat khandai tari unai lar arja apun rio ya ka ba ka seng kala ong bala le da ki rio shim kabu. Uabilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ulaong bakini ki Pyrton kinya Treilang bat ki bor Pulit ban pet ngor bakanommi ki jingja ki bapens ear ha ki jaka kanong ba.
5 additional companies of CAPF including one company of RAF has been called and deployed. We are trying to make sure along with along with district police we are trying to make sure that no further incidents happen and any miscreant or anyone who tries to take law into their own hands will be dealt strictly. We want to appeal to all the people of Shillong and East Khasi Hills that they should cooperate with the district administration, police administration. We assure them that we are committed to their safety and security, and if there is anything they must report to police so that timely action can be taken. But simultaneously we also want to encourage them to not indulge in rumor mongering and simultaneously basically cooperate with the law enforcement agencies.
Habatin page bahagi kashab plus F
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.